In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Fortnite from your computer. So if you've tried searching for Fortnite in your installed apps, you may find that the Fortnite game doesn't exist. Now that's because in order to uninstall Fortnite, we need to uninstall it from the Epic Games Launcher. So to do that, just close out of here, head over to your Start menu and search for Epic Games Launcher and open this. Click on Library from the left-hand side, scroll down to Fortnite and click on the 3 horizontal dots, and then just go and press Uninstall. As you can see, this will delete it from your system, press Uninstall, and just like that, we have now uninstalled Fortnite. Now, the second method of doing this is uninstalling the Epic Games Launcher. You can do that just by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, and then using the search box, type in Epic, and then next to the Epic Games Launcher, click on these 3 horizontal dots and press Uninstall. Confirm by pressing Uninstall. If you get this message saying that the Epic Games Launcher is currently running, then what you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Task Manager. From the Task Manager window, search for Epic Games, and then you just need to right-click on the Epic Games Launcher and select End Task. And now if you try uninstalling this once again, you can see now that it will uninstall without any issues, and by uninstalling the Epic Games Launcher, this will also uninstall Fortnite. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.